Heads up, commodity traders. This is going to be a data heavy week for you all. I, Anuj Choudhary, will take you through this week's commodity forecast, which includes a quick look at the macroeconomic headlines, commodities for the week, and the weekly event watch list. Gold and copper are this week's metals, and we will share our calls on the same. If you too are a trader tracking commodity markets, then watch this video till the end. Let's get started. To begin with, here are a few headlines. Hostilities across the Middle East continue to be in focus, with material impact on crude oil prices as threats to supply disruptions on two fronts through the Strait of Hormuz and the Red Sea corridor. China's manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMIs data declined by 1.1 points to 49.2 in July. This hints a broad-based weakening in economic activity. The geopolitical scenario continues to remain tense. Let's see how gold is faring. Gold opened last week at 1,44,618 and hit a high of 1,45,274, but it then fell and touched the low of 1,41,956, closing 0.61% lower week on week at 1,43,376. The momentum indicators signal further weakness. We expect gold to trade with a slightly negative bias. Support is seen at the previous swing low of 1,40,500 and strong support is seen at 1,38,900. Initial resistance may be seen at 1,45,275 and strong resistance is seen at 1,46,600. A sustained close above the same may lead to a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. While gold continues to look weak, things are different for copper. Copper opened the week at 1,333.80 and touched the low of 1,316.70 in the first half of the week. It bounced back sharply during the latter half of the week and touched a high of 1,348 towards the end of the week and closed 0.71% higher week on week at 1,341.45. It has given a trendline breakout in the preceding week and is trading about the same, confirming a bullish bias. We expect copper to trade with a positive bias in the near term. Initial resistance may be seen at 1,383 and strong resistance at 1,418. Support is at previous week's low of 1,316 and strong support at 1,300. A sustained close below the same may lead to a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. It's time to chart weekly price action. Gold fell marginally by 0.16% week on week. Silver fell by 1% week on week. The gold-silver ratio rose by 0.84%. Zinc, LMEX, and copper saw some modest gains. Finally, let's quickly glance at the weekly event calendar. This week, the markets will track the Rating Dog China PMI, ISM Manufacturing and Services PMI, US Non-Farm Payroll Report, and S&P Global Eurozone Manufacturing PMI. What are your views on gold prices for the week ahead? Share them in the comments section below. To access more calls and research reports for gold, copper, and other commodities, join the official Research Center WhatsApp channel today. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.